back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you today. I'm going to ask that you stick with me through this video. I'll try not to make it too long, but I think, a little bit of something for everyone in this video. I have part-time jobs, overnight jobs for those of you looking for something outside of the standard 8 to 5, 9 to 5 hours. I do have non-phone quality control jobs or quality review jobs where you just listen to phone calls and give your feedback, paying $23 an hour, requiring absolutely no college degree. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to review the companies or get those applications in, and I do ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. But first up, we have a job from Macys, the well-known retail store that can be found in malls all across America, is hiring a seasonal background check screening coordinator. This is remote and it is paying anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27.50 an hour. Now, this is a seasonal job. I discussed this in one of my other videos today. We are in that time where places are going to be hiring and training, gearing up for that holiday season for October, November, and December, but you have to be in the job and trained before October gets here. October's only 6 weeks away, so a lot of places are going to be putting out those seasonal jobs. So we're getting ready to see this ramp up with these seasonal positions. But Macys is looking for somebody to conduct phone evaluations, to make and partner with the advisor to make employment adjudications. They're going to be hiring for their seasonal jobs, and so they need somebody to help with that hiring process. You'll field inquiries regarding background checks and drug screenings through Salesforce for these employees. So you'll be responsible for reviewing their criminal history, drug screening information, and assisting in determining if they're eligible for employment with Macys. You'll conduct phone evaluations with the candidates related to the information they submitted on post-offer forms and information they provided in consumer reports for their background and drug screening. So you will have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls to them. You'll maintain candidate focus and ensure candidate supplies all the information that is needed within the time frame that it's needed in. You'll evaluate those candidate responses, making appropriate business decisions within the federal, state, and local laws. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of human resources field or applicant review interviewing stuff, but it doesn't have to be required. It's only preferred. They do need somebody who has great communication skills, the ability to think creatively, strategically, and technically, someone who can be a leader, have great attention to detail, and you've got to know how to use those computer systems, Microsoft Office, like Word, Outlook, all of those things. Next up, we have the healthcare company Hanger. Now, Hanger has 576 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a quality audit specialist for their revenue cycle management. Now, this is going to be a quality review type position, but it's not for the phone work or reviewing calls. Because this is a healthcare position, you're going to be reviewing those revenue cycle activities like billing and things like that. They're specifically looking for somebody to audit the revenue cycle performance group. This means you'll be responsible for performing and maintaining the quality assurance process of the revenue cycle functions across the organization of Hanger. You'll perform routine and targeted audits to ensure the quality and compliance standards are met. You'll process error disputes, providing timely feedback to those staff. You'll perform account review and account financial resolution opportunities and performance opportunities, and you'll analyze any trends in the data, making appropriate recommendations as needed. So it looks like you are really just auditing the billing activities of the staff. Are they doing what they need to make sure that they are billing claims to insurance companies correctly, collecting the money, all of those revenue cycle activities. Now, again, they're not requiring a college degree either. 1 year of relevant work experience in some kind of healthcare or revenue cycle is required. Somebody who has great communication skills, great problem solving skills, and again, you've got to know how to work those standard Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, and Outlook for email. Now, they do list it all the way down here at the bottom. Pay for this position is anywhere from $16 an hour up to $22 an hour. They do offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, pay time off, and 401k. Moving right along, if you're looking for a quality review job that is more customer service focused, where you're listening to those phone calls and giving that feedback, this one is for you. The company TTEC, they have 9,700 reviews, almost 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. So this is a well-known company. They are hiring a specialist quality assurance. Now, please note for this job, they do mention their headquarters out of Irvine, California, a few times in this job posting. So I'm not sure if they're only hiring somewhere near there or if they're hiring it throughout the United States. But this is a remote work from home position. You'll be assisting the quality training manager with the key performance indicators on outgoing correspondence and external survey results. You're also going to review and evaluate operational procedures, including customer service interactions. This is where those listening to the phone calls comes in. Service request, refund processing, fulfillment, and outgoing correspondence, and future quality review implementations. You'll coordinate the logistics and conduct related audits, including sample selection, documentation, and reporting of all of those results. You're also going to assist the quality and training manager with administrative functions, including developing those standard operating procedures and quality definition documentation. So you're going to take all of the quality reviews that you're doing and come up with procedures that need to be followed and set. Now, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED and 6 months or more of customer service experience. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in the actual job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But of course, people who have worked as a quality assurance specialist with TTEC have reported their salary to Glassdoor, and it pays anywhere from $32,000 a year all the way up to $48,000 a year. $48,000 a year is $23 an hour. Next up, if you're looking for overnight hours, this one might be for you. The company Hotel Engine, they have 231 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a member support associate for their overnight hours. And it is a customer service job. Just how it says member support, you're going to collaborate with members through phone, email, and chat to manage their current reservations at different hotels that Hotel Engine works with. You're going to confirm the hotels that the proper billing procedures are being followed with the members and they have a seamless experience with their reservations. You'll resolve any difficult issues with their corporate contacts in a positive and professional manner. You're going to be meticulous about those details, working as a team, as a collective unit in order to ensure top-notch customer service. You'll also provide feedback to the team for anything that you find interest in developing more efficient future processes. So if you have a process that you don't think is working good enough, you can suggest changes to the company's processes that they currently follow. You'll also process any refunds that need to go back to the clients in a timely manner. Now, no degree is needed, just a positive, energetic personality, someone who has enthusiasm for learning technology. You have to have great organizational skills and, of course, great communication skills and the willingness and ability to problem solve. Now, as far as hours go, they're looking for somebody who can be flexible, work nights, weekends, and holidays. They're looking for somebody to work 4 days, 10-hour shifts from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. They have 2 different shifts there. It says this role is eligible to work within the United States, so it doesn't look like they have any state restrictions. They are paying $22 an hour and offering a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, paid time off. And I told you I had something for everyone. If part-time is what you're looking for, this next one might be of interest to you. The company is Aspira. They have 156 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a technical support representative. This is again an overnight position, but it is a part-time position. They're looking for somebody to work 25 to 29 hours a week. But you'll basically provide remote support to their clients by troubleshooting any software issues that they have, custom built applications, hardware, or network related issues. You're going to guide them through the setup of the hardware, software, or network, guiding them through diagnostic and troubleshooting steps. You'll translate any technical details or troubleshooting steps into varying levels of experience. So you've got to be able to tell them in plain English what things mean. You'll provide training and guidance to the clients as needed and be responsible for all documentation and information that fully encompasses issues and requests, documenting all of your completion within the department policies into the system. Now, as far as what they're looking for somebody who has great customer service skills, someone who can type at least 50 words per minute, has a great technical ability and aptitude. They want somebody who has 1 to 2 years of help desk experience. And of course, if you have any kind of computer certifications, that is helpful but not required. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me and hanging tight with me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed any of these job leads. Share with all your friends and family. You can also leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.